Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here. Today I'm going to be preparing for you Fedelini pasta con arugula, gamberi and pomodori secchi, which is Fedelini pasta, arugula, shrimps and sun-dried tomatoes. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need. Fedelini pasta, arugula, shrimps, sun-dried tomato, olive oil, garlic, black pepper, crushed red pepper, salt, and salt. I'm going to add my sun-dried tomato now to this dish. It's going to come together real quick. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe and bon appetit.